Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very much requested video. Some time ago I did the video showing you all my Chanel handbags, so you guys asked about Louis Vuitton handbags, so let's do it. Louis Vuitton collection, handbags collection, actually got smaller. I sold quite a few bags. I used to have tons of them, and yeah, I'm kind of, downsizing, and I truly want to keep handbags that I am enjoying, that I know I'll be using, and not just to buy for sake of buying, and so that's why my collection is not as big. And honestly, I don't even have any Louis Vuitton handbag on my radar right now that I know I would like to buy. I really don't. So all right, so let's get started. I'm gonna get started with one of my new-ish handbag, and I mentioned this handbag already so many times. I got it for my birthday in September, and this is a V-toed in the size BB. So there is a size MM, which is like a nice kind of a tote size of this handbag. Looks exactly the same. The only difference is it has like a little hidden pocket right there. Mine doesn't have the pocket, it's the BB size, and comes with different leathers. You can pick, I think there's a red, there is a pink, and I'm pretty sure you can buy this handbag in all leather version as well. But I am very much a monogram person. Most of my handbags are monogram, and yeah, I do love this bag so much. Since I have been using it since September, almost non-stop. This is such an easy to go handbag, fits everything what I need. I am currently using it. No brainer. So yeah, I have a bunch of stuff in here. There is obviously the strap. I'm gonna try to link it up there, the video that I did about this handbag. There is a crossbody strap, which I'm using, sorry for the mess, which I'm usually keeping inside the handbag because I don't know, I only pop the strap on this handbag when I have to, I don't know, if I go shopping somewhere for a long time, so then I kind of just pop the strap on. But other than that, I like to keep it inside, and I kind of, use it as a handheld handbag, and I really like it. And I don't even bother, to be honest with you, to close the zipper. I just kind of go like this, and it just fits everything what I need. I know it's BB size, so it sounds like it's super small. It's not that small, you guys. I even have like a full-size Clemens wallet in here, so it's just enough, space for me. I don't carry much stuff. So beautiful handbag. I do have two leather handbags from Louis Vuitton. The first one is my Alma, and if you are not new to my channel, you have been following me for a while, you know that I'm kind of feeling so about this Alma. I know that years ago Almas were so popular, and everybody were just buying them, so that's where I've got this. Was it 2010? I don't even know. No, it's not that old. I almost never use it. I'm just being completely honest with you guys. Maybe twice, maybe 3 times a year. That's where I take it out. And should I sell it? I have such a hard time giving this handbag, away, but honestly, like, I don't really use it. And mine is in that limited edition, I think it was called the Onyx version, because normally black Almas will come with the gold hardware, which I didn't really like. Mine comes with the black hardware, so it's like black on black. As you can see, everywhere is all black. Yes, I added that little twilly, so it's just have a little, like, pop of color, and then obviously you have a lock, and everything. So yeah, it's beautiful bag, almost unused. I'm just keeping it because it was, anniversary gift. But let me know, guys, are the Almas coming back or not? All right, another handbag that is fully a leather handbag is the My Lock Me. This is the exact name of this. There's no size that I'm aware of. I know they do different version of My Luck Me, but they just give them like different names. So this one is My Luck Me. I purchased this because I had to give away my Pochette Matisse, which had some flaws, and I ended up purchasing this one. It's a beautiful bag. Unfortunately, again, I don't use it that much, but the guilt is kicking in, you know, because this is just, I mean, this bag is just so stylish. It's just so beautiful, you know. Everything about this handbag is just gorgeous. Obviously it has a crossbody strap, which is full leather and smells incredible. You know, but it really didn't get much use so far. As you can tell, probably it's just pristine condition. And I love the packet because I always put my cell phone if I use this handbag. And yeah, that's pretty much, I love the look of it. I think it's like very, very beautiful, but doesn't get much love. So speaking of Pochette Matisse, because I miss that handbag so much, so I basically didn't have it for 2 years, and prior to that I had it for 3 years before I had to return my original one. But this is the brand new Pochette Matisse that I just got for Christmas, so it is spanking new. I use it only once. You can see how white is the vachette, and yeah, oh, I miss this handbag so much. You guys probably are familiar with this handbag. This handbag has so much drama, you know, but oh, it's so beautiful. My original ones was made in France. This one is American made, but it's okay. It's all right. You know, I love this handbag. It's just so comfortable, and obviously has the, you know, the long crossbody strap. And I mentioned it when I did my Christmas what I've got for Christmas video. They changed the straps because the strap in my original Pochette Matisse was so stiff, you know, because it's obviously it's made of canvas, but it was so stiff. It was like a whip, like literally it was just unbelievable. So this one, once I got this one, I could tell right away that is a lot more flexible. So, you know, so that's a plus. So yes, I still have my stickers on it. I didn't remove any of them. So yes, I have it back in my collection. So this is my newest Louis Vuitton handbag. All right, the next handbag is my Geaorges MM, and this handbag came out, I'm gonna say about 2 years ago. That's where I've got it, and I was so excited about it because it was so difficult to get it. And I still see them like in a smaller version. I haven't seen in the larger version like this, and I use this handbag. I loved it so much, and to be honest with you, for the past year I haven't reached for it. So I'm actually considering selling this handbag. I don't know, I have a little guilt again because it's kind of original, you know, it's something different. And I know so many of you always ask me about the straps. Those are like made of velvet. These are actually perfect. I've never had any trouble with them. Just perfect. I mean, the whole bag is in pristine condition. And it comes obviously with the, you know, with the leather strap. The strap is super comfortable, and yeah, so that's a Geaorges MM. I think I still have, there's still plastic on this handbag. Yeah, I do have some stuff in there. But yeah, I haven't been really reaching for this handbag recently. So I'm actually considering of selling it because I have so many like top handles, you know, bag, and I'm thinking that maybe I should pass on. What do you guys think? Let me know. This beautiful handbag is my very first, it was my very first Louis Vuitton brand new handbag that I've got from my husband. And gosh, it's been 9 years, I'm gonna say 8 years ago when I've got this. And I remember when I saw it at the store, we were in Miami Beach, and I went to Saks Fifth, I think, and they had, you know, like a little Louis Vuitton boutique, and I spotted this handbag, and I knew it had to be mine. Later on, he ordered it online for me because he just couldn't pull the trigger, you know. I remember it was super expensive. This handbag is, It's just so pretty. I know I don't use this handbag as much as I probably should, and this is obviously discontinued, you know, but you can still see it like on the pre-owned, you know, market. I've seen this handbags, but this one has so much sentimental value for me, and I think it's like a very, very nice size that I'm gonna say never for now. I'm not gonna sell it. I obviously have it, you know, stuffed. It has a, by the way, it has like a very nice kind of light interior. It's beautiful. Everything about this handbag is just great. It's very comfortable. I usually use those straps, you know, to put it over my shoulder, or I can just do this and wear it crossbody. So it's super versatile. It's not as big, you know, as like Neverfull, but it's slightly smaller, but it's big enough to be considered like a tote. So absolutely love this handbag. All right, the last two handbags are my Neverfalls, and I love my Neverfalls. I have to be completely honest with you guys. I am in love. My obviously the most favorite Neverfall is the monogram. They are both in a size MM. My monogram is quite old, and I do have like a little organizer in here. So my MM, this one is a little bit older model, so it didn't came with this little pochette. This one is new-ish handbag. It's over a year, almost 2 years old, and it did come with the you know, with a little pochette, which honestly guys, I've never used it. I just kind of, you know, put things in here, and as you can tell, this one looks very, very new. I did use it over the summer. You know, obviously I don't use it, you know, during the winter, even though I live in the south and we could probably use it, but I don't know, for some reason I just don't. I feel like this is such a summer bag for me, so I have been, you know, using this one. Obviously, like this one is, to me, it's like all year round, and yeah, the azure is very beautiful. Maybe I could get the Damier Ebene. See, I don't have any handbag in the Damier Ebene print. I am just not a big fan of those squares. I know some people just love it, and yeah, maybe Neverfull one day, I don't know. I was just always kind of afraid of those treated leather straps, because I've heard a lot that they were like, you know, cracking and doing all sorts of stuff, so I don't know. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't have any Speedies. I don't have any of those super popular bags that Otto would have, but I'm just not a fan of Speedies. So currently, honestly guys, I don't even have like a Louis Vuitton handbag that I am like in love with. When I look through the website and I see what they have, I know the buckets bag are so popular, not my type. Also, you know, they do have a lot of backpacks. Some of them are actually quite cute, but I do have a Gucci backpack, so I like that. As of now, I feel pretty satisfied with what I have. I could, you know, possibly sell the Geaorges MM or my Alma, but it just kind of makes me feel guilty, but I don't know. This is just my thoughts. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.